Hi guys, happy Monday. I just wanted to do two more money word problems with y'all this morning. So the first one is what are two ways to make 83 cents? So I'm going to give you one way and then let you pause the video and you can come up with another way. So the way I would make 83 cents is I would draw 8 dimes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 dimes is the same thing as the 8 in our 80 cents, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. And then to get our 3 here, I would draw 3 pennies. So 1, 2, 3. So that's one way I would think of. Now I want you guys to pause the video and think of one more way. The second problem I want you guys to solve by yourself says that Jim has this amount of money in his piggy bank. Write the amount of money that Jim has in his piggy bank. So I want you to count up all these coins, and on this line, you could tell me what the answer to this problem is. Jim has blank cents in his piggy bank.